carefully. Read carefully. Read carefully. Read carefully. Read so carefully. If you want to know what an accent is, it's something you do to change your voice. Accent. Accent will be changing. I don't actually have really an accent. I don't think so. This is my normal voice. This is the voice I might be putting on today. Don't know which accent it is because I'm not smart. So it's that. I am smart, just not an accent. Accent. Really. Warning, this video has an accent. Not my normal voice. Not my normal voice. Not my normal voice. This is not my normal voice. No, I don't actually know where it is, what it is, where it came from. I don't actually know. But today I'll be showing you probably the greatest nerf gun in the world. Don't know if I should stop this accent or not. Well, I'll see in your comment section if I should. Shut up! Keep this accent. Depends. It depends. Do you have a YouTube channel? Probably not. But yeah, still. Yeah. Right. Greatest nerf gun in the world. This. You think, what the? I've got a better nerf gun than that. No. It's actually really good. Nerf. Blinding camera. I must blind you. Blind. That's right. It still the most ammo. That gun. Laser run. They shoot. They only go 3. No. Holds 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 ammo. I'm just gonna put the ammo thing on. Oh, by the way, this didn't come. This gun came with these bullets, but I've lost most of them. And they came with. Show me which gun. Yeah. Alright, if I can find it. This gun. Came with this gun. It's red. This is red. Bullets red. You can't find the bullets. Well, you can, just because of this orange thing. Mainly just the orange thing. You upside down? No, you're not. Okay. Yeah! You're not upside down! Yay! Alright, the accent. I forgot about you. I might forget about the accent, not accent. Well, you can't say it today. Well, I can. It's just with the accent. It sounds a bit weird, I guess. This gun. Came with some strange bullets. Came with these blue bullets. It's different to most of the other. I'll show you the firing of it. If you're lucky, at the end, I might show me firing it. Oh, actually, this is the end. Nelly, because I have to fire it first. Yeah. I got you. Yay! Bring you over here. I'm on my knees, so I think really bad when it actually happened. Yay! You may see like my house and everything, but I don't care. Actually, I might, but still, who cares? Don't look at it. Blind. Okay. Look how good it shoots. Wow. I'm actually surprised. Yeah, what you do? Grab the bullet. Like this, or like this. Slip it in. Pull back here. Pull this on your teach bit. And then the light comes on. Pull it more. No, the light's on. You see here. Teach bit. More. No! like a light. So you use this light. I've shown you how to fire it. Listen to this. It actually sounds cool for once. Oh, I thought I shot a bullet then. I need to find that other bullet. Oh, special ones. Yeah! I might not. Depends. It's a yes. I've changed my mind. No, I haven't changed my mind. I've made up my mind. Made up my mind out of plastic, wood, stuff like that. Okay, I'm joking. Okay, so I must disappear now. I'm not here. I'm not here. Oh, okay. You saw me. Sad face. Bye! Okay, please subscribe me, please. That would be amazingly appreciated if you subscribe me. Yes. See if I can get 10 subscribers. Remember, comment section below if you think I should stop this accent.